Hello and welcome to all of our viewers from around the world. We have quite a game in prospect here, just waiting for the players to emerge, and we will be underway. I'm Peter Drury, and it's my chance to say that it is an absolute delight to have Jim Beglin beside me.
Thanks, Peter. It's a pleasure and a privilege for me to be here.
So the players and officials stand tall for the anthem. Then the lineups for this game. So off we go then. Come back to the keeper. Spoon forward. Shot at goal! That really should have hit the net.
Yeah, not only do they hit fast on the counter-attack, Peter, but they show terrific effort and desire in getting forward in good numbers. Well, that should set them on their way and get into a nice rhythm. The early signs are very encouraging now.
Passes it through, boots it upfield. Ball's out on the left now. Oh, that's a foul, free kick's been given. It's a promising run he's making on the right. Who's going to make this theirs? Tries a through ball. That intervention was very necessary. Looks like a good ball through. Out to the flank. On a throw in. Shoots! Tries to get it forward quickly. Knocks it towards the front. That'll be a throw-in. Gets it back. Played into the middle. Cross deflected behind for a corner. The referee's pulled play back and has booked him for the original offence. It's a loose ball. Pogba. Still goalless at the moment. And he's there to cut it out. Oh, he's caught him there, it's a free kick. Oh, good interception. He acknowledges that he should have come up with something better there.
Yeah, and it was a case of good awareness too. That wasn't quite matched by the right weight of pass. It only needed just a little bit more behind it, and he was through.
Spreads it wide. He's come through and he's had a quick look inside. No, he couldn't get the direction he needed.
Yeah, they had lots of options in the box there. They've got plenty to chew on at the moment, but no bite.
That's a waste. He's still going. Where to next? Keeps everyone guessing. Can he score? Goal! Monaco!
An exhibition in how to finish with a minimum of fuss.
Deadlock broken, it's 1-0.
Well, just listen to the reaction. I think you can hear the approval from the support all around the stadium.
Now the pass. Defence has got rid of that. Plays it out to the flank. Forward it goes. Plays it out to the wing. It's been intercepted, and that will come to nothing. Aimed long and direct. Good defending there, they've slammed the door in the faces of the opposition. Looks to slip it through. It's cut loose. Is it in? It goes to show he is human after all.
Okay, they've got nothing to show for it, but that was a really incisive counter-attack, and it's hard to defend against that type of breakaway.
Tries a long pass towards the front. Looks to thread it through. And that's a throw-in. Loose ball, who's going to get that? Pumps it upfield. And that'll be the last act of the first half.
Well, they definitely won't be happy with that half. They seem to lack a bit of desire, especially going forward. It wouldn't surprise me to see a change or two.
That gets things going for the second half.
Tottenham Hotspur don't need to press the panic button just yet. They may have to tweak their setup first. If they don't grab an early goal in this second half, they can't hold back though.
to get it forward quickly. Dyer. Spoon forward. Looking to force his way through. In it goes! And with that goal comes comfort. And that is about as cool as they come. He picked his spot expertly.
Well, you know, sometimes it pays off not to think too much about things, just put your foot through it, and that was a good example. Great contact, and the keeper had very little chance.
Monaco get themselves a 2-goal cushion.
Well, that second goal has given them so much more command and confidence now, and they should be able to take it on from here and either add to their lead or close it out. Surely they'll manage one or the other.
Aimed long and direct.
They're actually not getting too tight, which is interesting.
No.
It's probably cautionary. Don't dive in, try to pinch it or intercept so nobody can get in behind.
Hoists it high. Back of the net! Right back in the game! Well, it was a hefty deflection, but he's claiming it. This is threatening to become a really good game.
Well, I think they probably needed an early goal in this half.
Oh, no question, that's a foul. It's a long forward pass. Battles to win it back. Talk about singling someone out.
Yeah, and the fact that he's registered, Peter, simply encourages more attention of a closer nature.
Dyer gets good distance on it. Oh, well intercepted, really alert to the danger. The ball needed to be better there, it's a wasted chance. Tried to play it through.
Well, he simply failed to just put a little more oomph behind that.
Monaco have a free kick. Gets it back. It's a good run down the right. Where could this lead? Chance! And he's shown him a clean pair of heels. Too long to get the shot away.
Yeah, he just took too long to make his mind up. You know, what a big opportunity missed then.
Aim forward. Now here's the through ball. And the ball is out of play. Looks like a good ball through. Could try cutting inside here. Another chance from a corner. The ball's come loose and the chase is on. Danger averted for now. Pogba. the pass. Offside that time.
Yeah, fractional, but fractional is enough. He was off. Well, his stamina was called into question then, but there's absolutely nothing wrong with his heart and the efforts he put in. He was very willing, though, not quite able.
Tries a through ball. Oh, it's opened up nicely for him. Going for goal! And in it goes! They have stolen level at the last!
Look, there just wasn't much of a gap to begin with, and to find it, I think it was a fine drive, and I don't think the keeper could have really planned for that. I think he's a bit unlucky in that instance.
All square again into the dying minutes. He's not played the ball, that's a foul. Managed to get it away. Pogba. Into stoppage time, whistle due any moment. Some good work on the right flank. Now, what's next? Passes it through. It's a brilliant interception. Who's going to make this theirs? Chip through. Done very well to intervene. There is the final whistle. Passion and panache and perseverance, and in the end, parity. A really good game to watch. Your reflections then, Jim?
Listen, the more this game went on, a draw was always likely to be on the card. So overall, I don't think anyone will be complaining too much about what they've got.
My thanks to Jim. We both wish you a very good evening.